down south from the Naughty Hawk. This guy's standing in the middle of the road with a chainsaw. It's a leaf blower. Y'all see the bluffs up ahead there? We're going to see a lot of that as we leave here. Next stop, we're going to go to the Marina Bar. Again, we're alongside the Mississippi River. I've mentioned it many times, I know, I'm sorry. Not sure what I recorded earlier. But these bluffs up here are just, I don't know, I think they're beautiful. It's so cool to think that the river cut down from that over millions of years or whatever, and eventually worked its way that way to the west a little bit. For a crusty old biker like myself, this is peaceful. You're out here and it's just you and your thoughts. Just relaxing, enjoying the beautiful weather, the beautiful day, the beauty that's all around us, man. We need to we need to experience that as much as we can. Keep ourselves centered. We're going to go through a few more small towns up here. We may stop at another place. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. I mean, look at that up there. If you're from like the majority of Minnesota, you look at this and you're like, oh my God, this is so cool, because everything is flat, everything is straight. And then you see something like this, and you're like, how much power was involved to get that? To cut that all the way down by nature, not explosive, not TNT, not man doing it with stuff that he created, but just nature itself. Well, I don't know if y'all caught that or not. I hit a turkey. Thank God he hit me on the side. I don't even know if I killed him or what. I didn't even catch him until the last possible second. I hope I didn't kill the little dude. I can't honestly say I've ever... Ironically enough, someone posted on YouTube this week that they hit a bird. And they had wondered if anyone had ever hit a bird. And I've hit a bird before, and I felt terrible about it. And I just now had a turkey jump out and run right into the side of my motorcycle. He hit my mirror, he hit my wind wing. I don't see anything or hear anything wrong with the bike. I must have caught him at just the right time to not knock me off, to not knock me off the bike, to not wreck me. I feel terrible. I'm not one to take a life wantonly. I do hunt, but when I hunt, it's under the full respect of life. And this is, quite honestly, one of the weirdest things I've ever had happen. And I have it on, hopefully I have it on video. Right now we're heading toward Red Wing, Minnesota, which is just back across the river. But we're going to stop at a place called the Harbor Bar first. I'm going to check out the bike. We're going to relax a little bit. We're going to get our heart rate down a little bit. Just make sure everything's all good. Nothing feels weird on the bike, so I think we're all right. This is the backwaters of the Mississippi. Beautiful area. Obviously lots of wildlife, turkeys included. That sign up ahead is for the Woodshed, which is a liquor store slash pizza place. And in the summertime, they will have like a flea market kind of thing there. Again, this is backwaters of the Mississippi. Road like this, you got to be careful on. There's a lot of rocks out here. Small rocks and potholes. This gets flooded a lot when the river gets high. As you can see, I mean, there's still water lane up in here. Next stop on the line. Hey guys, it's now Monday. Sitting around doing some editing after I got home from work on this video, trying to get it all ready to go. And just for I give you all a heads up as far as the turkey incident, yeah. Everything's been cleaned. Not the bike, but on me. At any rate, so just wanted to go over everything with you, and you know, everything's in good shape, but we're all good. But let me turn this around and show you. All right, so basically what happened was turkey hit up here. This is plastic on the on a 99 GO 1500. The little pieces went inside, so
Meantime, we'll be able to fix that. You have to buy the whole piece, the whole shooting match, and I think it's $200 for a used one on eBay, so that'll wait just a little bit. There are more pressing things than just that. Not on this bike, but just in general. I had some lights under here, but took one of them out, but it's no big deal. Still need to wash. Still got feathers, blood and guts. Ew. Chrome piece right here flew off. I'll have to find one of them. eBay has them, I think, pretty cheap, $30 or something. So, this mirror was already broke. That little plastic down there. So that didn't happen today, I don't think. Maybe it did, or Saturday. Maybe it did, I don't know. I don't remember being that big, but hit the mirror, hit the wind wing. Basically, yeah, just smack the crap out of that. Other than that, I mean, I've got a tank. This thing, it's a pretty solid bike. But just want to say, everyone be careful out there. Take care of each other. Love y'all. Mean it, not just saying it. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all have a good one. Catch you later.